mountaintop in Tennessee. Green estate in the land of the free. Raised in the woods so's he knew every tree. Killed him a bar when he was only 3. Davy, Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier. Fought single-handed through the Injun War, till the Creeks was whipped and peace was in store. And while he was handling this risky chore, made himself a legend forevermore. Davy, Davy Crockett, the man who don't know fear.